Imagine retiring before the age of 40, waking up each day with complete freedom. No alarms, no emails to check, just time. Time to do whatever you want. It's not a dream. For thousands of people, this is real life. How? Through the FIRE movement. Did you know that achieving financial independence could allow you to retire decades earlier than the traditional retirement age? The financial independence, retire early, FIRE movement is gaining traction as more people seek control over their financial future. In this video, we'll uncover the principles of FIRE, its benefits, and how you can achieve early retirement. Stick around until the end, where I will share actionable tips to start your FIRE journey today. The FIRE movement is all about gaining financial independence so you can retire early and live life on your own terms. But what does that mean? Simply put, financial independence means having enough savings, investments, or passive income to cover your living expenses without relying on a 9-to-5 job. For some, this means pursuing passions, traveling, or simply enjoying more time with family. But the question is, how do you get there? To achieve FIRE, you'll need to follow these core principles. Live below your means. This is key. FIRE advocates aim to save a significant portion of their income, often 50% or more, by cutting unnecessary expenses and avoiding debt. Invest wisely. The goal is to build an investment portfolio that generates passive income. Most FIRE followers invest in low-cost index funds, real estate, or other assets that grow over time. Achieve a high savings rate. Many in the FIRE community aim to accumulate savings worth 25 times their annual living expenses, allowing them to live off their investments. Flexibility and adaptability. Remember, FIRE isn't one size fits all. Be prepared to adjust your strategy as life evolves. The benefits of FIRE are significant. Freedom and flexibility. Achieving financial independence means the freedom to spend your time how you want, whether that's traveling, starting a new hobby, or volunteering. Reduce stress. Financial security eliminates the anxiety of job loss, economic downturns, or unexpected expenses. Pursuing passions. FIRE lets you focus on what really matters without the constant pressure of earning a paycheck. If you're ready to start your FIRE journey, here are 5 actionable tips. Set clear financial goals. Determine how much you need to save, your investment strategy, and your target retirement age. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can save more. Build an emergency fund. Set aside 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses to handle unexpected situations. Invest consistently. Automate your investments to take advantage of compound interest over time. Stay informed and adapt. Continuously learn about personal finance and adjust your plan as needed. There are some misconceptions about the FIRE movement. FIRE is only about for income earners. Not true. Anyone can achieve FIRE by being disciplined with saving and investing, regardless of income level. FIRE means extreme frugality. While cutting expenses is important, FIRE is about being intentional with spending. You don't need to live an extremely frugal lifestyle to reach your goals. Retiring early means never working again. Many FIRE followers choose to work on passion projects, freelance, or even start businesses after reaching financial independence. FIRE offers the opportunity to take control of your financial future and live life on your own terms. By following these principles, saving aggressively, investing wisely, and staying adaptable, you can achieve financial independence and enjoy the freedom of early retirement. Thanks for watching. If this video inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal finance and financial independence. And don't forget to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below.